Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you the top 10 project management apps that can be used as an independent developer, as a freelancer, or even a small and medium scale business. These apps are extremely helpful. Most of them are the best part is that they are free so that you can start using it for improving your own productivity as well. Let's go ahead and check the list. But before we do that, let's a quick word on what is project management. Project management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling the resources that are needed to achieve a specific project, goals, or objective. Project managers use a variety of tools, techniques to coordinate the work between team members, track progress, etc. The typical any project management involves like defining a plan, visualizing the project, creating a project plan, creating subtasks, user stories, and then monitoring and controlling the project, and finally closing and supporting the project. Some of the key features that you should look out when you're selecting a project management are project planning, right? This involves breaking down the project into smaller tasks, estimating how long each task is going to take, scheduling the task, etc. Look at resource management. That's again an important since you'll be working with teams or even with clients. So that's important aspect. Please do consider risk management, quality management, as these are extremely important for a project to be extremely successful. Communication management, the tools that I'm talking about involves communication between teams via messaging, chat, notifications, stand-up, check-ins, etc. You should also consider budget management. A lot of times project gets into risky phase because of lack of budget, etc., or overshooting the budget. So budget management definitely helps in keeping track of that. Change management. Now this is very important because every now and then we get issues in prod, and then you need to have a proper incident and change management so that you track why the adjustments or changes were made, for what scope, etc. That being said, let's start with our list. Alright, so again, tips for some choosing a project management app. Define your needs first, like what are you trying to achieve. If you are a developer or a freelancer, create individual projects for each client and each work that you're doing. Evaluate your options. Try different project management tools and see which one fits your bill, which one you like easy, which one you like the interface, etc. The best way to go about is test and trial. Start with a small scale before you go for a full scale Monty. Consider your team. The team should also be able to considerably fairly easy to adapt to the new tool. They should be comfortable with the look and feel. They should be comfortable with the features, etc. In long run, consider integrations because you will work with a lot of other tools like CRM, support apps, etc. So you'll need to look out for the integrations. That's very important. And consider long term, like project management. These apps you don't choose every day. As a developer, you have, or a freelancer or a small scale business, you will have option that you can switch. But once you make that decision to stick to a app, it's going to be a long run. So make sure you consider these tips before choosing any project management app. All right, so let's start with our top 10 project management apps list. The first one on our list is Asana, asana.com. It's work anytime, anywhere with Asana. Keep remote and distributed teams, your entire organization. You can bring in all your teams, organizations, departments, all the people together into aligning goals, projects, and tasks. Asana offers excellent features for end-to-end project management automation, like basic needs like calendar, planning, board, support, tickets, teams, list, Kanban, stand-ups, etc. I'd highly recommend this if you're a freelancer or a small team. I personally use Asana as well for managing a lot of work on ARC tutorials, so that's something that I will definitely recommend you. Monday.com. This is yet another tool that we use at ARC Tutorials. Excellent. It's like a work OS platform. It's not just restricted to project management, but can be customized into or extend the functionality into different departments. I primarily use this for the support, IT support, and maintaining the customer details and contacts, etc. So pretty cool stuff. Again, it's free for freelancers and small teams. Excellent features like workflows, automation, routine work you can always automate, uh, calendar, board, tasks, teams, list. All of those features are available. You can customize your own and define the workflows, and that's the most beautiful part of Monday.com. So do give it a try. Again, like I said, it's free, so make sure you check it out. Zoho Projects, yet another pretty cool cloud-based project management software. It helps you end-to-end support of the goal, right from planning, tracking, collaborating, everything that we need basically, like time tracking, task management, workflow, team collaboration. Again, Zoho Projects is part of Zoho Group, which means it has tighter integrations with other apps like CRM, invoice, etc., which are basic needs of any freelancer or small scale business. So you can get a free account at zoho.com/projects. The next one on our list is Trello. Now, Trello you might be already using or aware it's from Confluence Makers or Jira Makers, Atlassian, and it's a project management tool. If you are more on an agile side and want to have more of an agile kind of a setup, now I recommend that you use this especially with client when you're working with clients heavily. Like we have a when I work on a freelance project, I typically join the client stand up and there are different team members. We talk, we collaborate, we assign tasks, we track them, and all of that I do it on the go as well, which is mobile app, so that's pretty cool. It's again free for freelancers and SMBs, so please do check that out if you're more on the agile side of stand-ups, check-ins, tasks, etc. Basecamp. I used to run the entire ARC tutorials team on Basecamp for a while. So basically, Basecamp helps you with everything that you need in a company or to run a startup kind of a work. Basecamp helps you everything with managing projects, work with clients. You can have guest clients, calendar, boards, messaging, communication, stand up, check in, all those things. We love it. After a while we switch to other apps, but I still recommend that if you are a freelancer or um, like a small company, I definitely think you should give Basecamp a try. It will be worth it. The next on our list is teamwork. Now, this is something that a client had recommended a while ago working on a project. So that's where I got exposed to this tool. This is one of the trusted project management tool for client related work because you'll have different clients and they'll need reporting. Um, there will be budgeting aspect, there will be reporting on it, how much you're expensing, time tracking, all of that. And that is what whenever you're working on a specific client work and the client has budget, I think you should consider teamwork as an option for that. You can do a lot of things just like any other project management app, which is task management, automation, boards, calendar, reporting, dashboards, and much more. Again, they provide free version for freelancers, so do check it out at teamwork.com. The next on our list is Podio. Now, it's a cool collaboration tool, I would say. You can create our own workflows, structured and smarter way to work. Again, the best part about thing that I like is the integrations, especially when you're working with a client who has a lot of different integrations and apps available. I think Podio makes sense there. It's more on an enterprise side, but again they offer free for freelancers and small businesses up to 5 users can totally use it for free. So these are all different options that are available, which however you have to check for workflow automation based on your comfort. Do check it out at podio.com. The next one on our list is ClickUp. Now, simplify work and get more done with ClickUp. You can plan, track, manage any type of project management that flexes to your team's needs. Now, I work with industries and clients who are from different domains, and each one has a different set of requirements and documents and details, etc., that needs to be captured. So I've used ClickUp in past with certain clients who are not from typical IT background, and that's where it has really helped. There was this client from cement. shipping kind of a company, and they used ClickUp, and it's pretty cool stuff. They have almost all the things that any project management should have: dashboards, goals, plan, calendar, boards, task, teams, and everything that you need in a project management. They offer free version for freelancers, so why not free? So go for it. Clickup.com, that's the website. The next on our list is Rike. Now, only this is a work platform that gives like a visibility and control over your task and projects. So, as a PM, as a lead, as a founder, you want your team's complete um, transparency in work in terms of the tasks that are being done, what is being achieved, are we on track, etc. So that's where you can use Rike. I think that's pretty cool as well, and it has a lot of tools that especially PM or product owner will need, like Gantt charts, approvals, custom item types, tasks. So more on the enterprise side again. I would say if you are but again, free version is available for freelancers and small and medium scale business. I would still say if you are this is more on the enterprise side because you'll need a lot of custom workflows, approvals, and custom item types, etc. So do give it a try at Rike.com. The next is Proof Hub. This is a project management planning software with every tools that you need to get done faster. Again, all of these project management apps that I talked about, more or less, they have similar features. More or less, they all provide the common basic features required to get the project done end to end. Planning, right from planning to Kanban board, stand-up, Gantt charts, tasks, custom roles, custom workflows. These are critical. But again, like I said, these are heavy on the enterprise side. If you're a company which does a lot of roles, workflows, that's where these comes into picture. But if you are just a simple small scale business, they have a fixed pricing model, like you pay only certain amount no matter how many users use it. So if you are that kind of a client agency work business, please do consider ProofHub for that. So you can check it out at proofhub.com. Alright, that brings us to the end of the list of top 10 project management apps on our episode. Now, do let me know which is your favorite among the list. Do let me know which tool you use at your work, which is your favorite that you use. Did I missed anything? I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you in other review sessions. But please do write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com if you have any questions, comments, or want me to cover a particular tool or application. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.